everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I was just about ready to sit down and start filming a video for you, and I got a knock on the door with the nurses. They took my temperature and they told me that I can go home tomorrow. So after 7 days of quarantine, I can go home. I can go home. I can't go home. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. For today's video, I thought I would do a try not to say wow challenge, and I'm going to change the challenge to try not to say ooh, wow, or what, okay? Because I am going to be donating 20 Rand for every time that I say ooh, wow, or what to a charity. I'm not entirely sure what charity or fund I'm going to donate to, but I will show you at the end of the video where these funds end up going to. I might donate to one place, or I might split the amount into two depending on how much it is. And yeah, so if you want to see how much money I end up donating, then please keep on watching. Here we go. How? Oh, I remember. That's one. I remember as a kid always wanting that bulb. Rainbow! Oh, jellyfish. What? Oops. It's pretty cool. What? That's 3. No ways. Can I have that pillow? What a waste. This man got skills. Ew. Oh, what is that? Is that shaving foam? Is that paint? Is that flowing like consistently? That's crazy. Ooh, I want pasta. Yo, what are you doing? That's laser. Pretty cool. Pasta? Pasta? More pasta? That would be pretty cool to have, but it's pretty pointless. Look, it's good if you're in a long queue and you want to sit down and you can just pull this thing out for everyone. Ooh. What a waste. Set it again. I know exactly what those are, and that's disgusting. Pork balls. They sell them in Thailand. You can get pork balls on a stick, pork balls in your soup. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Oh. What? Oh. The poor thing, why would you do that? Oh, oh, no, it's broken. No. That's really pretty. How? That is so cool. Oh, what is going on there? You know what? I'm not disappointed. There, I said it again, because I know whatever money I'm donating is for a good cause. So if I do say the words that I'm not supposed to, it's not the end of the world. For my bank account, yes, but for whoever's receiving the money, no. That floor is filthy. Street cleaning. Is this Thailand, China? Oh, I was supposed to go there. I was supposed to see that. My flight home was through Singapore Air, and I literally had a layover for 9 hours, so I would have had time to explore the airport, but unfortunately I didn't get that opportunity. But you know what? It just means that when I do travel again, that I will go and do all of these things that I wanted to do. I didn't get the opportunity to do. I've seen that 100 times on the beaches in Thailand. So pretty. So cool though. When on the water, it looks so incredible because it's just like, whoo, so pretty. Give me my noodles, give me my noodles, my noodles. Holy moly, that is one heck of a production line. Impressive. Oh, I'm gonna miss my Thai green curry noodles that I could buy from 7-Eleven. So I'm definitely going to have to go through the footage a couple of times and count out all the times that I said what, wow, or ooh. And I'm going to use reference of ooh, ah, oh is going to count as an ooh. Future me here. So I posted a picture on Instagram asking whether I should donate the full amount to one charity or to split it in two, and majority of you said that I should split it, so that is exactly what I'm going to do. I did a bit of research and I've chosen Fast Forward SA as well as Save the Children, and the donation was asked in US dollars when I used my PayPal, and converting it ended up being like 10 US dollars something, so I just rounded it up to $15, and that translates to 280 rand. So in total I ended up donating 560 rand as opposed to my 400 rand, which I really don't mind because I know that this money is going to a good cause. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Hit that notification bell, that way you will be notified as to when I upload, and comment down below what you would like to see next. Tell me if you enjoyed this challenge and if I need to do something like this again, and I will donate more money because I don't know what else to do as a forfeit that is going to be a positive initiative other than donating money. Bye guys, see you in my next video.